Looking for a game-changing way to clean rust, paint, and grime from metal surfaces? Meet the portable handheld fiber laser cleaning machine by ACCTEK. This cutting-edge tool uses fiber laser technology to quickly and safely remove rust, resin, coatings, and more, without damaging the underlying surface. With laser power options from 100W to 300W, a wireless controller, and a lightweight cleaning head, this machine is built for efficiency and convenience. Whether you're working in a manufacturing plant, repair shop, farm, or even at home, this cleaner delivers industrial-level performance in a portable design. Plus, it's air-cooled, CE certified, and comes in a sturdy trolley case, making it ideal for high-speed rail or air transport. Don't miss your chance to grab this powerful tool. Check the link in the description to order now before stock runs out. This is the future of rust removal. Clean, fast, and laser precise.